Welcome to SEPAM, Super Easy Physics and Mathematics with Orisheja Matthew. Today we are going to look at a topic in mathematics which has to do with understanding cancelling with multiplication of mixed fraction. This is level 2. How to divide a numerator and a denominator by the same number. So we're going to see how do you divide a numerator and denominator with the same number. So that is the emphasis of this lesson. So let's go in. So question 1, simplify 2.5 multiplied by 4/5 multiplied by 1 number 7/8. So what do we do next? First, step 1, turn mixed number to improper fraction. So 2 multiply 2, 4, add 1, 5/2. Then 1 multiply 8, 8 plus this, that is 15/8. So after that, then you now step 2, look, divide one numerator and one denominator. So that's why it's underlined. One numerator and one denominator. Take note. 1, so you have 1 numerator, 1 denominator. So you can't cancel. So let's look at it. So if you look at the numerator and the denominator, which number do you think can cancel out each other? So let's look at 5, the red and red. So 5, both 5 and 5 will divide. So how many times? So this 5. So let's do that. Okay, 5 boys share 5 eggs. Each one will collect 1. Then the next we can look at, so both 8 and 4. 8 and 4. Okay, 4 boys share 8 balls. Each one will collect 2. So we are left with, look at, nothing can divide each other again. So multiply the numerator. So you have 1 times 1 times 15. Then 2 times 1 times 2. So the next step is multiply tops multiply top, bottom multiply bottom. So you have 1 times 1 times 15. So do it like that. So if you do that, it will give me 15/4. So this is an improper fraction. So let's turn it to mixed number. What you need to do now, so you want to look at 15. How many group of 4 is there? So look at it. How many group of 4? So if you have, this is one group of 4. So how many group of 4 is this in 15? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. That will give how many group of 4? That is what am I saying? So you have this 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 12. So you have 3 group of 4. Then after that one, you are left with 3 remaining. So 15 divided by 4 will give me 3 remainder 1. So that will give me 3/4. What we are using to divide. So that gives me the final answer for that question. So let's look at another question. Question 2, simplify 3/5 of means multiplication of 3 1/3 multiplied by 2 1/4. So off means times. So for you to solve this question, you remove the off and replace it with multiplication sign. So turn mixed number to improper fraction, step 1. So 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10. 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9, 9/4. So next step, divide one numerator by one denominator. So if you look at it, 5 and 10. 5 can go into 10. How many times? 2 times. So then we can now look at 3 and 3. 3 can go into 3. 3 boys share 3 apple. Each one will take 1. Then we can look at 2 and 4. So you look, 2 and 4 can go. So 2 boys share 4 cars. How many will each one take? 2. So now we are left with, let's multiply what we are left with on top. So we are left with 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 9, and then the denominator you are left with 2. So your final answer is going to be top multiply top, bottom multiply bottom, so that will give me 9/2. So turn it to this an improper fraction. Let's convert it to mixed number. So we have convert it to mixed number. So look at 9. How many group of 2's are in 9? So 9 divided by 2, that will give me 4, remainder 1. So if you look at this, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. How many 2's? Group of 2. So you have group 1, group 2, group 3. That will give me 8. After that, you are left with 1. So 1 remainder, what you are using to divide. So that will give me 4 number 1/2. So that is the answer to this question. Thank you for learning. This is the end of level 2. Subscribe to CEPAM so you'll be alerted when other similar lessons are prepared. Share the lessons and turn up your notification bell.